100 French expressions you must know. Have you ever been a part of a French conversation where everything sounds familiar, but you still freeze because you don't know the exact expression they used? Yep, I've been there. But today, I'll help you fix that. Bonjour, and welcome back to Airlearn French. In this video, we're going through 100 super useful French expressions you'll hear every single day, from greetings to cafés to simple small talk. These are the expressions that help you survive real French conversations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to walk into any French bakery or ask anyone for help confidently. And if you want to practice these expressions with audio and daily speaking exercises, download the Airlearn app. It's perfect for turning these phrases into real speaking habits. All right, basic greetings. Let's warm up with greetings you'll hear 100 times a day in France. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, hi, bye. Coucou, hey, cute, friendly. Ça va? How's it going? Example, bonjour, ça va? Hello, how are you? Another example, ça va? Oui, ça va bien. How are you? Yes, I'm good. Great start. Now that we've covered greetings, let's move into something equally important. These expressions keep every French conversation smooth. Polite expressions. Next up, let's see some polite expressions used in French. S'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît, please, in the informal way and the formal way. Merci, merci beaucoup, thank you very much. De rien, you're welcome. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Je suis désolé, I'm sorry. Excusez-moi, je suis désolé, je suis en retard. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm late. All right. Now that you can greet people politely, let's take it one step further. Actually introducing yourself. This is where real conversation begins. Introducing yourself. Je m'appelle, my name is, je suis, I am, enchanté, nice to meet you. Bonjour, je suis Diana, enchantée. Hello, I'm Diana, nice to meet you. Nice. Now that you know how to introduce yourself, let's talk about something learners always deal with. Explaining your French level and asking people to repeat. Talking about languages, understanding. Je parle un peu de français. I speak a little French. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Tu peux répéter plus lentement? Can you repeat more slowly? Je ne comprends pas. Tu peux répéter plus lentement? I don't understand. Can you please repeat slower? Perfect. Once you survive your first conversation, the next place you'll probably end up is a cafe or a restaurant. So let's learn the expressions you'll need there. At a restaurant, a cafe. Je vais prendre, I'll have. L'addition s'il vous plaît, the bill please. C'était très bon. It was very good. Je vais prendre un café, s'il vous plaît. I'll have a coffee please. Awesome. Now that you can order food like a pro, let's move on to the everyday needs, phrases that help you survive typical situations. Everyday needs. J'ai faim, I'm hungry. J'ai soif, I'm thirsty. J'ai froid, I'm cold. J'ai chaud, I'm hot. Je suis fatigué, I'm tired. J'ai froid. On peut entrer? I'm cold. Can we come in? Good job. Now imagine you're walking around a new French city. You'll definitely need directions, so here are the expressions to help you get around. Directions and transport. À droite, right. À gauche, left. Tout droit, straight ahead. Le taxi, le métro, le bus, le train. Taxi, metro, bus, train. Où est la gare? Where is the train station? La gare, tout droit. The train station, straight ahead. Great. After navigating the streets, you'll probably stop for some shopping. So let's look at the essential expressions for buying things. Shopping and money. Combien ça coûte? How much is it? Je peux payer par carte? Can I pay by card? En espèces, in cash. C'est trop cher. It's too expensive. Avez-vous ceci en taille S? Do you have this in a size S? Combien ça coûte? 10 euros. How much is it? 10 euros. Perfect. And now, let's finish with some everyday vocabulary you'll hear all the time, especially around meals and routines. Food and daily routine. Le petit déjeuner, breakfast. Le déjeuner, lunch. Le dîner, dinner. Bon appétit. Enjoy your meal. C'est délicieux. It's delicious. Je prends mon petit déjeuner à 8 heures. I have breakfast at 8. We've covered the essentials: greetings, politeness, food, directions, and shopping. Now, let's add more expressions you'll hear at work, school, and social life. Work and study. Le travail, work. Le patron, la patronne, boss, male, female. La réunion, the meeting. Le projet, project. J'ai un rendez-vous. I have an appointment. Example, j'ai un rendez-vous à 10 heures. I have a meeting at 10. Great. Those cover basic professional study needs. Next, let's add expressions you'll use in social situations and small talk. Small talk and social. Tu vas bien? Are you okay? How are you? Quoi de neuf? What's new? Ça me plaît. I like it. Félicitations. Congratulations. Bon anniversaire. Happy birthday. Quoi de neuf? Pas grand-chose. What's new? Not much. Nice. Now, let's move on to expressions that help you deal with problems or ask for help. Problems and help. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? J'ai un problème. I have a problem. Appelez la police. Call the police. Où est l'hôpital? Where is the hospital? Je suis perdu. I'm lost. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Je suis perdu. Can you help me? I'm lost. Now that we can handle emergencies and help, let's learn expressions used when you agree or disagree politely. Agreeing and disagreeing. Oui, non. Yes, no. D'accord, okay, agreed. Bien sûr, of course. Je ne suis pas d'accord. I don't agree. Peut-être, maybe. D'accord, on y va. Okay, let's go. Perfect. Now we'll add expressions that make your French sound more natural. Fillers and reaction phrases. Fillers and reaction. Ben, well. Alors, so. En fait, actually. C'est dommage. That's a shame. Vraiment? Really? En fait, je ne peux pas venir. Actually, I can't come. Great. Fillers help with the rhythm of the speech. Let's add common verbs and expressions for movement and time. Movement and time. Maintenant, now. Plus tard, later. Bientôt, soon. Arriver, to arrive. Partir, to leave. Je pars maintenant. I'm leaving now. Nearly halfway. Next, we'll add expressions commonly used with numbers, prices, and transactions. Numbers and transactions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Combien? How much? La monnaie, change. Le billet, le ticket, the ticket. Le reçu, the receipt. Un billet pour Paris, s'il vous plaît. One ticket to Paris, please. Now, let's add expressions you'll need for health and well-being. Health and feelings. Je vais bien. I'm fine. Je suis malade. I'm sick. J'ai mal à la tête. I have a headache. Ça va mieux? Are you feeling better? Je suis stressée. I'm stressed. Je ne vais pas bien. Je suis malade. I'm not well. I'm sick. Now for some expressions used when planning, inviting, or suggesting. Planning and invitations. On se voit demain? Shall we meet tomorrow? Tu veux venir? Do you want to come? On se retrouve à 18h. Shall we meet at 6 o'clock? Ça te dit? Fancy it? Does that appeal to you? On se tient au courant. Let's keep each other updated. On se voit demain? Oui, à demain. Shall we meet tomorrow? Yes, see you tomorrow. Now here are some expressions you'll hear in media, news, or when discussing opinions. Media and opinions. D'après les infos, according to the news. À mon avis, in my opinion, c'est intéressant. That's interesting. Je suis d'accord avec ça. I agree with that. C'est polémique. It's controversial. À mon avis, c'est une bonne idée. In my opinion, it's a good idea. Almost there. Last set of expressions are casual, fun, and great for daily chatting. Casual and fun phrases. Trop bien! So good. Awesome. Quelle chance! Lucky you! C'est nul. That sucks. It's rubbish. T'inquiète. Don't worry. Allez, viens. Come on, let's go. On y va? Let's go. Pas de problème. No problem. Allez, c'est parti. Let's go. Here we go. T'as vu? Did you see that? Chouette. Nice. Great. Colloquial. À bientôt. See you soon. Trop bien. On y va? Awesome. Shall we go? Great job. You did it. We covered 100 most useful French expressions, but remember these phrases only become natural when you use them out loud every day. If you want to practice more of such expressions with audio repetition and quizzes and fun speaking challenges, download Airlearn. It turns these phrases into real memory, not just words on a page. Out of 100 expressions, how many did you already know? Tell me in the comments. If this list helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical French lessons. Merci et à bientôt.